Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The engine room logbook is the official legal record of all activities, operational status, and maintenance events that occur within a ship's machinery spaces. Its accurate and timely completion is mandatory, serving as evidence of the vessel's compliance with international regulations, including SOLAS and MARPOL. Standard daily entries begin with the time of the entry, clearly logged by the officer in charge of the engineering watch or OICW. Every entry must be legible, precise, and objective. The logbook is divided into various sections, with the most frequent entries detailing the operational status of the main propulsion machinery. This includes recording critical parameters like engine speed, horsepower output, and key performance indicators such as exhaust gas temperatures and turbocharger RPM. A major section is dedicated to auxiliary machinery. Daily entries must list all running auxiliary systems, including the number of diesel generators in operation, their load readings in kilowatts or kilowatts, and the status of the boilers, noting steam pressure and feed water levels. Essential support systems, such as the main cooling pumps and lube oil pumps, must also have their operational parameters recorded, ensuring continuous monitoring of component health. Environmental compliance is heavily documented. The logbook must record all transfer and disposal of oil residues. Specifically, it documents the start and stop times when the oily water separator or OWS is used, the quantity of bilge water processed, and the final destination of the residues. Furthermore, any sludge generated and its disposal method, whether incinerated or transferred ashore, must be accurately noted as per MARPOL Annex 1 requirements. Tank soundings are a critical daily entry. The logbook must record the amount of fuel oil, lube oil, and fresh water consumed and remaining on board, often taken at the start and end of the 24-hour period. This data is essential for fuel consumption analysis and inventory management. Finally, the logbook documents all maintenance and repair activities. Any work carried out on the main engine, auxiliary equipment, or safety systems, including the replacement of filters, adjustment of valves, or successful completion of a planned maintenance task, must be logged with the time, a brief description of the work, and the names of the personnel involved. Any abnormal occurrences, casualties, or accidents, including equipment failures or activation of fire detection systems, must be recorded immediately with detailed descriptions of the event and the corrective actions taken. The logbook serves as the definitive legal history of the ship's machinery. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.